If I told you 10 years ago that I created a full website without writing a single line of code, you would have laughed it off. But guess what? This is 2025. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did that, from the homepage, images, and contact info to even the blog posts in under 5 minutes using nothing but AI tools. Sounds wild, right? Stay with us till the end, and you can do it too. There are plenty of options to choose from. At first, it can be a little confusing, but trust me, once you make the right decision, you're already halfway through. I've tested online tools like 10web, Hackinglifeai, Zyro, and even Wix ADI, but this time I'm settling on Durable.co. Why Durable out of dozens of options? Because it doesn't ask for design skills, it's completely built around AI, and it delivers fast. Perfect for small businesses, startups, and freelancers who want a clean and customizable working site to get started. All I had to do was click Create Website and answer a simple question. What kind of business are you creating? Just one sentence, and AI takes the rest of the load off you. Here's another tip for you. If you have a specific aesthetic or style in mind already, Hackinglifeai is the best choice you can make for your startup. As soon as I typed, "I'm a freelance interior designer," the AI engine kicked into work mode and produced a homepage for me. It had catchy headlines, a list of services, a form that would help customers contact me, and even testimonials that verify my credibility. It even did what I always dreaded, gave me an auto-generated business name, Studio Nest Interiors, and honestly, it's not bad at all. And to add the cherry on top, every section had editable text in case I still want to add my personal touch. Other than that, it was all sorted out. A mini logo, brand colors, and keywords specific to my niche. It felt personalized, like someone actually took time to design it for my needs. Do you know what impressed me the most? The pre-built Contact Us page, which had a functioning form and a map to aid the users. Something that will surely stand out and help us make a mark in the customer services department. Let me tell you that all the features I generated in 10 seconds are more than what web designers give you after about a week. So I wouldn't be surprised if they're worried about AI taking over their jobs. This is the part that I enjoyed the most, and I'm sure you will too. Customization. Not a single line of CSS or HTML, but something far simpler. Durable's editor works as a smart drag-and-drop builder. It got even more fun when I changed the site name to Inspired Living Designs and updated the tagline to something that felt like me. After that, I uploaded a high-resolution picture of the projects that I previously worked on. You can do that by directly uploading or swapping with the Unsplash Stock Images option built into the platform. The colors and fonts are also suggested automatically, according to your industry. So, I incorporated a Design Packages section that looked sleek and is responsive on mobile as well. What if you don't like something? No need to worry, because you can easily regenerate individual sections using AI. If the text feels too generic, just click on Regenerate Text and you'll get 3 new options to choose from. Do you think that such changes are possible while hiring a designer who takes days, if not weeks, to deliver? While you can use this website with the same level of effort as managing a Google Doc. Now, here's a wild feature you'll only believe if you see it yourself: Durable's AI blog generation. You heard it right. The site is not only amazing for website generation, but it will also create content that looks professionally curated and fits your needs. All I had to do was type interior design trends for small apartments, and it generated a blog post of 500 words. Within seconds, it formatted the headers, intro, and conclusion. It even had call to actions, like contact us to learn more about our services. All are using the keywords that are bound to attract maximum organic traffic to your page, following the practices of SEO. Even with these posts, you can edit them as much as you want, and also schedule future posts to save your valuable time. Isn't that the best thing that can happen to a one-man team? The tone is surprisingly natural too, and the grammar needs no double checks at all. Now, I'm not one to say that AI blogs are capable of replacing professional and trained writers as of yet, because you may still need to fact-check and humanize the posts, but it is definitely a brilliant way of helping entrepreneurs enter the market. Okay, so the website looks cool and the tools haven't disappeared, but what happens when it's time to actively run the business? Here's the kicker. Durable doesn't just generate a homepage for you and call it a day. Nope, it goes full entrepreneur mode with its built-in business tools that protect you from the hassle of juggling 5 different apps at the same time. Let's start with the CRM, or the Customer Relationship Management tool, that I'll break down for you. Every time someone fills out the contact form, their information is automatically saved in your CRM dashboard. You don't need to keep records elsewhere because Durable makes sure you have their names, email, messages, and even the timestamp organized. No spreadsheets or manual copy-pasting from one app to another, just clean info that'll help you in every step. Now that you've booked a client, you need to send an invoice. Durable's got your back. Their invoice tool lets you generate and send professional invoices in under 60 seconds. It adds your logo and business name automatically, sets due dates and payment methods, and then tracks who's paid and who hasn't. In case a client has forgotten their dues, AI is here to nag them on your behalf as well. You're welcome. That's not all. There is still a lot you can avail of. On the same dashboard, you get website traffic analysis, so you know who's visiting and when, AI ads for Facebook or Google campaigns, and appointment scheduling in case any third parties get involved. How does it feel to have a whole command center at your fingertips to do something that required university degrees or hundreds of dollars merely 5 years ago? Your very own virtual assistant that never misses a deadline and never calls in sick. Now that we have a site that looks as professional as any other, it's time to go live. In order to do so, you can either connect a custom domain you already own or purchase a new domain directly through them, and Durable will publish it immediately. It's SSL secure, fully functioning for mobiles, and SEO tuned. The site launches within seconds. If you want some reassurance, you can open it on your phone and see how perfect it looks and works everywhere. I have another tip for you in case you're in a hurry. Choose the Launch Now, Edit Later option, and you'll have the site in 5 minutes, which you can fine-tune later. Now that we've talked about the magic, let's not forget to keep it real. While AI website builders are impressive, they still carry imperfections like any other tool. Let's discuss the real pros and cons you have to know before you launch. 1. Yes, you can truly go from having an idea to having a live site in under 5 minutes, but it might not be the pixel-perfect custom layout you see the big industries use. For that, go for Webflow or Framer. 2. It's right that you don't need to touch any of the scary coding, but you still have to edit and customize to avoid those robotic, unfriendly visuals. AI text is great, sure, but it still lacks you. Treat it as a starting point and not the final product. 3. It's amazing that Durable can help you build an entire system that creates and runs by itself, but you will need something much more advanced if you have complex needs. An e-commerce store or a members-only area? Durable might not be the ideal choice. While we're at it, let me answer some questions that might be crossing your mind. Is it really 5 minutes? Absolutely. I clocked it at 4 minutes 38 seconds sharp. Is it free? There are plenty of free platforms, but Durable only offers a free trial. You will have to subscribe to the monthly plan for publishing and the extra features. Can I sell products? Not directly, but you can add links to platforms like Shopify. Is the AI-generated content unique? While it is generated fresh every time, you should review and edit to match your vision. And there you have it, an entire website that is built from scratch and powered by AI in under 5 minutes. If you want to try it yourself, like the video and subscribe for more business ideas that are just a sentence away.